How to install an SPD to 125 amp mains isolator switch on an 8-way and onward board. When installing the SPD, it can be fitted to the left or right set of DIN rails to suit your configuration. Here we've attached it onto the right hand side. Take the copper earthing plate and attach it to the base of the board using the fixing screw provided. Fix the plate into the two PE terminals located at the bottom of the SPD. Tighten with a Torx screwdriver. With the tails that are supplied in the SPD box, cut the pre-fitted eye-crimp ends off as they are for the 250 amp main switch installation only. Referrule and crimp the end. Repeat this for all 4 cable tails. Take the welded end of the cable tails and terminate them into the top of the mains isolator switch together with the copper buzz bars. Secure them in place by tightening the screws with a screwdriver. Remove the L1, L2, L3 plastic cap. Feed the SPD tails behind the mounting bracket of the 125 amp main switch. Slide the copper buzz bars into the correct terminals, making sure the main switch is fully seated on the mounting bracket. Once in position, screw each of the terminals to attach to the buzz bar. Tighten the copper buzz bars with the Torx screwdriver. The tails from the main switch can be cable tied and secured to the back of the board to keep everything organised. Insert the L1, L2, L3 and neutral terminals into the top of the SPD. Tighten the SPD with a Torx screwdriver. Reattach the L1, L2, L3 plastic cap. To complete the installation, slide the Illusion shield between the main switch and the plastic cap. Please see our other how-to videos for more information on our Illusion 3-phase range.